Hello. Hello. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video using Filmora 10. Okay, so it is very simple to control your video speed in Filmora 10. In order to control your video speed or to slow down your video inside Filmora 10, it is very easy. By the way, if you want to create a smooth slow motion video, you need to shoot your video at a higher FPS than your editing timeline, meaning that if you are editing video on a 24 frame timeline, and then you need footage at maybe 30 frame per second or 60 frame per second or stuff like that, because that's most normal camera can handle, can shoot 60 frame per second. Other expensive camera can shoot in 120 frame per second or 240 frame per second. Is very expensive. Okay, and to be honest, I only have my GoPro Hero 7 can shoot we can shoot 120 frame per second, and the other is Canon 800D. It is only 60 frame per second. Okay, so here I am inside Filmora 10 and I have a clip of me in front of the camera. So this is a 60 frame per second clips. This one we can click here to view the properties, and it is 60 frame per second full HD video. Okay, and we can click OK. So for example, in order to make a slow motion video for this part, because normally we just want to make a slow motion of this part only. Okay, let's play the normal video first. Okay, for example, at this position I want to make a slow motion video, right? So I need to split the clip here and moving forward to the point that I can stop. For example, at this position I can split the clip here, and then now I want to slow down this part. What I'm going to do is to select the clip here, and then I can click this button and go to the custom speed, and here I can change the speed here 0.4, because I'm shooting 60 frame per second, so we can slow down by 40% on a 24 frame per second timeline. Okay, and we're going to click OK, and now we have a slow down video here. And you can see also the speed information here, but remember, when you slow down the video, the timeline becomes red because it is not rendered anymore. So when you play the video, it can be a little bit choppy. So what I'm going to do is to hit this render button to render the timeline again, and that is normally how I do to get a smooth slow motion video inside Filmora 10. Okay, and you should do the same. Okay, so firstly, sorry about my webcam camera, it is out of battery. So here's the video that after we render the timeline. You can see that the video playback is not very smooth. By the way, I'm going to put this video at the end of this tutorial so you can watch it later. Okay, so here the speed control area, you can click this button to reset your video to normal speed, and you can also choose different preset here. For example, the slow preset here, and also the fast preset here. So that is very easy, and this is the first way you can control your video speed to make a slow motion video inside Filmora 10. And there is another way. For example, at this spot I want to make a slow motion video. All I need to do is to press and hold my control key on my keyboard, and then move the mouse to the edge of the video, and then click, and now I can drag it all the way to the right to create a slow motion video. And you can see here there's a speed number here. This is a video that is slowed down 40%. Okay, so that is how easily you can create a slow motion video using Filmora 10. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. If you're new here, consider to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.